Hey guys, what's up? So it has been a while we talked about the OnePlus 9 series, but things haven't changed a lot since we last discussed the next flagships from OnePlus. As we know, this time OnePlus is going to launch 3 new phones in March, 2 of which we are familiar with, the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro, but the third phone is something new that they are preparing to launch, maybe to take on the surprisingly good Galaxy Fan Edition phones from Samsung. Now, there is not a lot we know about the phone as of now, except the fact that it might be launched with last year's Snapdragon 865 instead of Snapdragon 888 that will power a lot of flagships this year. This would of course give an advantage in terms of the pricing, but will pose a threat to the company's own 8T launched just a few months ago and is very unlike OnePlus, who are always chasing for the best specs. Anyway, we will get more details about the phone very soon. Now, OnePlus CEO Pete Lau recently gave an interview in which he said that they are working on improving the camera further with more focus on software and hardware. So we can expect them to include a new main sensor for the OnePlus 9 Pro, and most probably is going to be the Sony IMX789 sensor that Oppo is working on in collaboration with Sony. A similar thing happened last time as well when Oppo worked with Sony for the IMX689 that was eventually seen on the 8 Pro. The OnePlus 9 on the other hand might feature the 50MP Sony IMX766 sensor. As exciting as this is, OnePlus won't be adding a periscope lens on any of the 3 phones, which is kind of disappointing. It's 2021 and most of the flagships have some sort of periscope lens with varying zoom levels, so they should have added a 5x zoom camera on the 9 Pro at least. Also, according to Max J, the phones won't feature Leica lenses as rumored before, at least not on the 9 series. Leica has been making lenses for Huawei phones, and these phones are one of the best in terms of camera performance, so the news of OnePlus working with Leica had excited a lot of people who were hoping to get a better camera system, but it seems like they won't be doing that. However, you shouldn't be disappointed as they can still make a great camera without using any special lens. All is not lost though, as the company that has always shied away from using wireless charging on their phones is rumored to include it on the vanilla OnePlus 9, that too fast wireless charging. So a couple of images of the phone have leaked and we can see that the phone is charging wirelessly in these shots. It is expected that the 9 will get the same 30-watt fast wireless charging that debuted on the 8 Pro last year, which is not bad at all. The 9 Pro on the other hand is expected to take things up a notch with support for 45 watts fast wireless charging, which can take the phone from 0 to 50 in just 30 minutes. Along with this, the phone should also support reverse wireless charging. Apart from wireless charging, both phones should get the 65-watt fast charging support, which is present on the 8T. The OnePlus 9 is expected to get a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz flat AMOLED display, Snapdragon 888 processor, 50MP triple camera setup, 8GB RAM along with 128GB of base storage, and should run OxygenOS 11 based on Android 11 out of the box. The 9 Pro would get a dual 48MP primary and ultra-wide along with 2 more sensors that may include a depth and macro. So the phones are definitely looking worth the wait. However, price is one of the most important factors for any phone, so it remains to be seen if OnePlus would increase the prices further or learn from Samsung's mistake and keep them the same. Do let me know your opinion on this down in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching. Smash the like button if you liked it and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.